Okay, welcome back to video 2. We're going to be working on step 2, where we will journalize the adjusting entries in the journal. Okay, so we just completed the worksheet and we put the adjustments on the worksheet to see what our adjustments will look like. So we see what they would look like, and now we need to put them in our journal entry. So we're going to go to our journal entry tab, and we're going to put these adjusting entries, we're going to journalize them. So we're going to do the same thing we did in the worksheet. For accrued service revenue, we're going to debit accounts receivable, and we're going to credit fees earned. Okay, and then for depreciation, we're going to debit depreciation expense and credit accumulated depreciation. For accrued salary expense, we have a debit to salary expense, and we have a credit to salaries payable. Okay, prepaid rent adjustment, we would debit rent expense and credit prepaid rent. And for this one, we had to calculate the number, and it was to get the used up, and it was $400. And then for supplies used, we have supplies expense and supplies for $1,600. So that is journalizing. In the next video, we will post this to the ledger.